y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Brianna and today I'm going to be doing my nails, trying this soft gel nail extension kit from APRES. Don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but I bought this after doing a little bit of research and I did use Afterpay. The total I believe was like $90 to $100. I'll leave the exact price on the screen, but I used Afterpay, so it was split into 4 different interest-free payments. So this is the kit that it came with, and so this is a soft gel, whatever that means, extension. So it goes on the entire nail. It's not just the tip. And then you cure it with the light and you can put your polish over it. Really quickly before I open this up, which I haven't really even looked inside yet, I have kind of gone back and forth between doing my own nails, going to the salon. I have a bunch of stuff right here. So I have already done dip before. I already have like my own gel, LED light, all that stuff, because it is a lot more affordable, but I would get super frustrated if it wasn't perfect. And so the last couple months I was going to the salon, but that was getting super expensive. Like one set was costing like $60 and then pedicure was like $40. So I am trying to really stick to a budget and save some money right now. My nails have been looking super busted. They're like stained from dyeing my hair black. I've been peeling them and picking at them, and so I just need to get my nails done. So it comes with this bag, this cute case. Like, this is actually really nice, and you get to pick out what like shape and length you want. And so I got round, natural, medium, I think is what the title was. So here's the inside. There's a little velvet cover. Let me scoot back so you guys can see. Okay, so it comes with a pH bonder. This is just, oh, this is in there. This one is just to dehydrate your nails. So it's in order of how you apply it. Gel primer. Ooh, these are really in there. Extend gel, and then they give you a top coat. Okay, and then I also get a nail file. This is pretty cool. Is this a light? I was confused. Oh, okay, so it comes with this little light. Again, I already have my own, but this actually might be pretty handy. So it comes with a small curing light and then instructions, which I'm gonna have to read just to make sure I know what I'm doing. Cord for the light, and underneath is my my nail extension. So that's pretty much it. It is a really nice case though, and like in the case there's, if you guys can see that, the lighting's kind of weird, like spaces. So I think I can actually just put them in there. Yeah, I think that's what they're for. I can just put them in there like that when I'm done. Super nice case. Okay, let me open up these extensions. So it comes with 10 different sizes, 500 pieces. And you can get refills on these. So let me see what these are looking like. So it's called soft gel. They feel like regular like nail extensions. But yeah, this is the shape that I got. It's called natural, round, and the length is medium. They have like stiletto, coffin, they're short, long, I think even extra long. Let me put this back on the right one. Which one's for? Okay, so let me go ahead and read these directions. I also have all my other stuff here. Like I have like, you know, my acetone, all that. I'm gonna just prep my nails off camera. So I'm just going to, I already cut them, or I peeled them off. I'm gonna kind of file off. I have just like a base coat on and take care of my cuticles, and then I will just go through and show you guys how I do my nails. Okay, so it comes with this really simple 10-step card. There are directions for what to do and like little simple images, and it seems pretty easy. So I'm gonna lay down a towel just so that I don't get my coffee table dirty. Oh, also this is cordless, so you charge it. I think it looks like it already is not charged. Okay, so I'm gonna have to charge this. This pamphlet has directions for this light, or I might even just use my own light because I don't know. But yeah, let me charge this and then I will get started. Okay, so I just finished putting all of the extensions on. It wasn't super difficult, but it was kind of hard. The step where you have to like press it, make sure it's on straight and hold it while putting your finger under the tiny light. A couple of my nails actually hurt, and I don't know if it's because some of the gel got on my skin. I don't know if it's because my nail beds were just damaged because I have been like picking at them and doing a lot to them. So they do look cute, but a couple of them do hurt. So I think I'm gonna have to look up some tips and videos to prevent that in the future. I'm gonna go over and paint them. I have a couple of different gel polishes. I have a lot from the brand on Amazon called Beetles, and then I have a couple of these gelish ones. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick a color. I'll probably do all of them the same color, maybe do like this ring finger and accent nail. And then the kit came with this non-wipe top gel coat. So off camera, I'm just going to go through and paint them all and then come back at the end and show you what they look like. So far, I like the shape, I like the length, and overall the process was not too complicated. That took me maybe 45 minutes. I watched an entire episode of Outer Banks, but this was my first time doing it, so I think that as I do it more, it will go a lot quicker. But yeah, I'm gonna paint these and I will be back. Okay, so I just finished my nails. Let me show you guys a close-up. Everything that I use will be linked down below, the nail polish colors and the whole kit linked down in the description. So this is what they look like. It's kind of like, I don't even know what it is, like a grayish purplish color. And then on my ring and pinky finger, I put like a little sparkly overlay. Overall, I think I like them. Some of my nails still hurt, and there are a few that I didn't put on completely straight or push all the way back to the cuticle, so I definitely see some room for improvement for next time. But overall, I would say that I like this. This is definitely going to save me some money because I'm sticking to my budget, and so this entire kit was like under $100. You can get gel nail polish on Amazon for pretty cheap. Every time I went to the nail salon, I would drop 50, 60 bucks. And this is going to give me multiple different manicures. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. And I guess I'll make future videos of me doing different colors. Maybe I will eventually do designs, but these are the nails. It took me maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours, but this was my first time using the APRES nail extension. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've seen in videos of other people who have used these that they last about 3 to 4 weeks. I will see, and I can update you guys in a future video. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Okay, so just a quick update. It's like 2 days later, and I actually had to take off some of those nails that were hurting, and I'm gonna give it like a day or two and then redo them. So if you put on the nail extension and it's not on straight, or it's touching your like cuticles, your skin, you need to start over and take it off, because I thought that I could just kind of like deal with it, maybe it would stop hurting, but no, I hit one of those painful nails on something and it was just hurting too bad. So there were 3 of them that I ended up taking off, and it's still pretty sore around like the edge cuticle part. So if you're putting them on and they are hurting or don't feel right, just take them off and start over, because that is what I had to do. Besides that, the ones that did go on correctly, I do like them. My mom actually saw my nails yesterday and thought that I got them done at the salon. So overall, I really do like this, but make sure that you put them on straight. If not, you need to redo them.